Okay, this is the phone. I'm coming to change the full LCD, the LCD with the frame, one set. I'm going to change it now. Okay, you have to put at the heat machine for 10 to 15 minutes. If you have the heat machine, you can still open it like that, because this one is a rubber, but just be careful. Okay, I already hit my own. I need to open it right now. One side. Okay, you take out all the screw back of the phone. So many screws. Make sure you take out all the screws. So many screws back of this phone. Make sure you take out all the screw back of the phone. Okay, after you take out all the screw back of the phone, you remove the SIM tray. To the one side. Okay, then you open the phone right down. Okay, you remove the back of the cover. Okay, you disconnect the battery, disconnect the LCD cable. Okay, disconnect from the LCD also. Leave on the charging system. Okay, don't remove the one on the charging system. Disconnect the fingerprint cable. Okay, you disconnect the network cable. Okay, remove the network cable like this. Okay, you take out the charging system motherboard first. Slowly, don't rush to do it, don't spoil anything. You remove it. Okay, you put it one side. Okay, remove the motherboard. The motherboard have a screw on it. Don't forget the screw is black, small. Okay, disconnect the front camera. Take it out. Okay, take out the motherboard. Put it one side. Okay, you remove the vibrating. Always when you want to remove the vibrating, don't remove from this side so you don't spoil it. Remove from the other side here. There's a hole down here. Just put the pencil there, raise it up. Put it one side. Okay, also to the speaker on top. When you remove it, you have to be careful so you don't spoil the speaker. Okay, so you just take out from the rubber, under this rubber, because you are going to use all the rubber. Just open it from this side like this. Okay, you take out the rubber one set. Okay, you put it one side. The glue, because you are going to use the glue also. Put it one side. Okay, and you remove the fingerprint. Remove these two screws on the fingerprint here. Put the screw one side. Okay, it's two different screws. Then you take out the fingerprint. Slowly, just place it up like this. Put it close to the screw so you don't forget. Okay, now you need to fix the motherboard and everything there. Okay, but you take out the battery first. Okay, use the pencil. Okay, place it up a bit like this, small. Okay, then from there use the other one. Don't use the sharp pencil. Okay, use the one like this so you don't spoil the battery. Okay, then use the spray to weaken the glue a bit. If you have the spray, you can use it. If you don't have it, you can use the pencil also, but you have to be careful you don't spoil the battery. So will help the glue to become weak a bit. This spray, just spray on there. Spray it under here also. Okay, after you spray it a bit, you try to open it again slowly. Don't spoil the battery. The glue under is very hard, so you have to open it slowly. Okay. 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 Be careful. Okay. Very hard glue. Remove the battery. Put it one side. Okay. Now you need to fix the motherboard. Take out this plastic. Okay, when you take out the plastic, make sure you leave the white rubber there, because this white rubber is the glue. Okay, leave it like this. Take out the plastic on top. Okay, you fix the speaker first. Okay, put a bit glue down the vibrating here so the vibrating can rest properly. Okay, and make sure you put the vibrating very nice, exactly how you take it out. Okay, then you fix the motherboard. Okay, you put back the one screw you take out, the black one, from the shining side, close to the vibrating. Okay, fix the front camera. Okay, then now you need to fix the camera, the fingerprints down here. You replace the two screw back you take out. Okay, now you need to fix the battery. You have to use a double tip like this one. Okay, you put down the battery so the battery will rest properly. You put one like this. Put another one here. Okay, if you don't have it, you can still put the battery, because the battery have a bit glue down here. Okay, remove this paper. Okay, make sure you fix the battery terminal first, very nice, so you don't lose the position of the battery. Then you put the battery inside. Okay, then you disconnect back the battery. Okay, now you fix the charging system, motherboard. Make sure you fix this very nice. Remove the fingerprint cable. You connect it very nice. Okay, and make sure you pass the network cable inside this hole here, so the back cover will close properly. Then you fix the network cable very nice here. If you don't fix it, the network will not come. The network will become very, very weak. Make sure you fix it properly. Okay, then you fix the LCD cable. Okay, make sure you fix this very nice. Okay, then fix the connector on the motherboard, very nice. Okay, then you connect the battery. Okay, make sure this network cable is inside this hole, very nice, so the back cover will close. Okay, and now you put the back cover. Close it right on. Okay, then you replace all the screw back of the phone. So many screws, make sure you replace all the screw back of the phone. make sure you place all the screw, don't leave any screw. Make sure you place all the screw back of the phone. Okay, after you place all the screw, okay, then now you put the glue. Make sure you put the glue right round, don't put on top of the screw, just put close to your screw. Make sure you put it right around the phone. Okay, after you put the glue right around the phone, okay, now you put the back cover. Just make sure you put it straight like this. Okay, don't bend it. Okay, don't forget you put back the SIM tray. Okay, you put this rubber. Okay, if you don't have the rubber, you can still use select tape at least for 30 minutes so that the glue become dry. Okay, you put the top here also. Okay, after it become there, you can remove it and remove this plastic. Okay, now you on the phone and test the LCD and see if it's okay. Okay, the phone is on, the LCD is on, that means it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.